Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Class 6, Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 2. Lecture 3. Okay. Question number 29. Direction for 29 to 30. Energy content of different foods are as follows. Food type is this. Food energy is given kilocalorie per gram. Here it is given. Based on the above information, answer the following. Identify the food type which provide least energy and maximum energy and write the difference of their food energy in the fraction. So we can see 3.57, 4.05, 0.27, 2.37, 1.22. So this is the least one. Okay. And this is the highest. Okay. It has maximum energy. We have to find the difference between them. How can we find 4.05 minus 0.27? So 15 minus 7, 8, 9 minus 2, 7.3, 3.78. But answer should be in the fraction. How can we convert it as the fraction? 3.78 upon 100, so decimal will go away. Now take out the common factor. This is your 2. So it will be your 2 1s are, 2 8s are, and 2 9s are. 2 50s are. Is there any more common factor? No. So B will be the answer. 29th answer is option B. 30. Direction 29 to 30. Energy content of different foods are as follows. Same data is given. So if each food types are arranged as per their food energy in descending order, greatest to smallest. Choose order and correct. The greatest is your beans. Beans. This is greater than your maize meal. M I am writing it. Okay. This is greater than your meat. Single M I am writing. And this is greater than your sour milk. SM. This is greater than your vegetables. So where is beans and then maize meal, then meat, then sour milk, and then vegetable? It is in the option number B. So 30 answer will be B. Question number 31. If 2 by 3 represents the unshaded portion of the figure, then figure is unshaded. So it is 2 is unshaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 2 by 8, it means 1 by 4 after simplification. Second one is your unshaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 will be your numerator. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 2s are 18. So we can simplify it with 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 2 by 3. That means we found the answer as B. 31st answer is B. Here it will be again 2 by 6 cannot be possible. It will be also 2 by 6 cannot be possible. So 31 answer is option B. 32. Find the difference between the smallest and largest 5-digit decimal number less than 1 using digits this. Largest decimal number. Largest decimal number using these digits. So to write the largest decimal number, which should be less than 1, so it means whole place will be 0. And to write the largest decimal number, we will just arrange the number in the descending order only, because the 10th place digit should be the greatest one. So 74210. Now the smallest decimal number. Smallest decimal number. This will be your 0.01247. We can write 0 at the extreme left of the decimal, because this 0 will be considered as the 10th place value. Okay, and we have to find the difference between these two. So 10 minus 7 3, now 10 minus 4 6, 11 minus 2 9, 3 minus 1 2, 7 7, decimal 0. 0.72963 is in the option number A. So 32 answer is option A. 33. What fraction of straight angle is 25 degree? So value of straight angle, that is your 180 degree. So what fraction will be 25 degree? That should be 25 upon 180 degree. And if we simplify it by dividing with 5, so we can get 5 5s are 25 and 5 3s are 15. Then 5 6s are 35 upon 36. It is in the option C. The 33rd answer is option C. 34. The fraction which represents the all two-digit prime numbers. To number of all two-digit numbers is. The total number of two digits are there 90. Total number of two-digit number equal to 90, and total two-digit prime number. So total two-digit prime number equal to 21. It is. Okay, it is 21. I am writing here so that you can know what are those digits. It is your 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These are the prime numbers having two digits. So we have to just write the fraction. The fraction should be 21 upon 90. Simplify with 3. So 3 sevens are, 3 30s are. This implies 7 by 30. Option number A. 34th answer is option A. 35. The fraction which is equivalent to 1 by 3 and having the numeral 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is. So equivalent to 1 by 3. It means if you multiply numerator with 3, then its denominator should come. If we multiply it 3, the 4 3s are 12. At one's place there should be 2. Not possible. Multiply by 3. 3 ones are 3. One's place should be 3. It is 9. Not possible. Multiply by 3. So 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 8 3s are 24. Carry 2. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. Yes. C is the answer. 35th answer is C. 36. 1 square represents a meter of distance. Then, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 upon 5 plus 3 upon 4. If we add both of them, then 20, 16 plus 15, 31 by 20. If we convert it as the mixed fraction, so it will be 21s are 20 and 11 by 20. That is in the option number B. 36 answer is option B. 37. The fish caught by Yashika weighed 2 3 by 9 kg and fish caught by Kanika, weight 10 4 by 5 gram. Look at the units. Units are different. Less than that Yasika. Find the weight of fish caught by Kanika. This less than, it means this number minus this number. So first I am just writing 2 3 by 4 as the decimal number. So 2 is the whole number, 2 point, and 3 by 4. If you divide 3 with 4 to decimal, put here, we will get 0 here. 4 sevens are 28. 2 will be here. Then due to the decimal, we can put one more 0. 4 fives are 20. So this is your 2.75 kg, and here it is gram. So 2.75 kg, can we convert it as the gram? If we convert it as the gram, we have to multiply it with 1000. Okay, so it will be your 2750 gram after multiplying with 1000. Okay. Now 10 4 by 5, if we convert it as the decimal, so it will be your 10.58 are 40, 10.8 gram. Now subtract both of them. So 2750.0, because there is not any decimal number, so we can put 0. Now 10.8. Point can be written below point only in the addition and subtraction. 10 minus 8, it will be 2, 9, it will be 9, decimal, decimal. And then 4 minus 1, 3, 7, 2. 2739.2 gram. And if we have to convert it as the kilogram, then divide by 1000. So point will shift in the left direction by 3. It will be 2.7392. 2.7392, or we can write 3 plus decimal to 2.739. That is in the option number A. 37th answer is option A. 38. In a school, total number of boys are 2 by 5 of the number of girls. If the total number of students are this, then find the fraction between number of boys and number of girls. So boys equal to 2 by 5 of G. Girls, we can write 2G by 5. Okay? Now girls plus boy equal to 2884. So G plus B can be written as 2G by 5. So 2884, can I write it as 5G upon 5 plus 2G upon 5 equal to 2884. This implies 7G upon 5 equal to 2884. This implies G equal to 2884 multiply by 5 divide by 7. So if you just multiply 2884 with 5, you will get 14,420, and then divide by 7, so you will get 2060. So I am writing here now G equal to 2060. ठीक है, तो boy should be 2 by 5 of 2060. Okay, so 2060 multiply by 2 and then divide by 5. So you will get 824. B equal to 824. Number of boys 824. Number of girls 2060. We have now then find the difference in fraction between the number of boys and the number of girls. So what will be the difference between number of girls and boys? So it will be your 1 2 3 6. Okay. Now simplify it with 4. 4 3s are 12, then 0, 4 9s are 36, 4 7s are 4 2s are 4 1s are. So 309 upon 721. This is in the option number C. 38 answer is option C. Okay. Question number 39. Choose the correct order of mathematical operation plus, minus, multiply, division equal to in the following so that it can become true. So we can see these fractions are used in all the options, okay, with the different position of all the mathematical operation. So you can simplify it in your notebook and you can check whose LHS is equal to RHS. So you can find the LHS of the option number C is equal to, I am proving it here also, option C, 13 multiplied by 147, sorry, 13 upon 147 multiplied by 35 upon 104 plus 13 upon 21. So 13 8s are and 7 5s are, 7 2s are, 7 1s are. I can write it here, 5 upon 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 168 plus 13 by 21. So 5 upon 168 plus, this will be your 168. That is your multiply by 8. So 104. This is your 109 upon 168. Now check the RHS side. This is your right hand side. This is your left hand side. Okay? Right hand side, this is your 43 by 42 minus 17 by 23 multiply by 69 upon 136. So 23 3s are 17 8s are. Okay? So 43 by 42 minus 3 by 8. If you take out the LCM of 42, 8 and 8, so you can find 168. So 168 and 42 multiply by equal to 168. So 4 multiply by 43, 2, 2 carry 1, 7, 172 minus 168 divided by 8 equal to 21. 21 3s are 63. That is your 12 minus 3, 9. 6 minus 6 is 0. Then 1 upon 160. So we can see LHS is equal to RHS in the option number C. That's why we will go with the option C. 39th answer is option C. You can check other options also. It will help you in practicing these type of questions. Question number 40. Which one among the following figure is representing correct fraction of shaded to unshaded portion? Shaded to unshaded. So shaded are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 by 3. But this is 5 by 8. Not possible answer. Now unshaded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 upon 1, 2, 3. Sorry, shaded to unshaded 3 by 5 it should be 3 by 5, which is not possible. It should be 3 by 9 because fraction is shaded to unshaded. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. After simplification we got the answer. You can check this one also. It will be your 4 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 by 8. So it will be your 1 by 2. Not matching the answer. Okay, so option B is the correct one. 40 answer option B. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.